Hello, I'm Kathy. Previously, I showed you how to create a song on Ruby. Now that we have our song, what's next? Let's create a video, a slideshow to go along with that song. And once we have that, we can share it with people. We can put it on YouTube, can do almost anything with it. So let's get started. Okay, so here we go. We have our song, which we created previously. Now we want to add that song with images to create a video that we could then upload to YouTube or share it, send it to friends or family. So let's get started with that. First step is to open Canvas Plus, and we're going to create a new project. The best dog ever. And I'm going to say this is a demo to create a video. So now I can choose design editor or audio video editor. Because it's a video with music, we're going to choose this one. Then it brings up this screen. Now for YouTube, this is not the right direction. We want it to be, this one is if we close this where it says page, we close this, we get to document. It's for a story reel. It's 1080 by 1920 pixels. We want that flipped. So all we have to do is click here, and now it's flipped. Perfect for YouTube or a video that we want to share. First step done. Second step is to upload our images. So we'll go to image upload, add file. On my computer desktop, I have a folder called Misty, and that's where I will upload all of my images from. So I'm going to choose all the ones that have JPEG, end with JPEG, because those ones will work with for my video. So I choose all of the video, all of the images, not that one. Or PNG is good too. And then I just upload them. And I know that my song is 1 minute and 50 seconds long, and each clip is 5 seconds. So if I duplicate it and make it 10 seconds, I would need 12 images approximately. Okay, so now we have all of our images. We want to add the audio. I'm going to go add file. And here it is, Misty 2. That's one I want to bring in. Okay, we're set. We've got our images ready to go, and we have our audio ready to go. So all we need to do now is go back to images. And I'm going to find the one of her as a puppy first. Put that one in first. Here she is. So there she is now in there. So that's great. And we've added that clip in there now. So like I said, this is 5 seconds long. Perhaps we want it maybe a little longer. We'll make it 7 seconds long. Okay, so then we want to add another clip. We want to add a clip here, go here, and then more, and we'll just, there we go. It's in there. So we'll just leave that at 5 seconds, and we could, well, let me get 7 seconds, same as the other one. So you can see right here, it says 7 seconds. Okay, we'll add another clip. Okay, and so then we'll add this one. Add another clip. And then we will got this one. This one. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to just pause the recording while I add more clips. Just exactly the same I was doing. Okay, so now I have all of my images in there, and it equals 1 minute 50 seconds, which is exactly how long I think my audio is, my music. So let's add the audio. There it is. Let's put that in there. Okay. That's in there. So we'll go to the end and see if it ends at the exact spot we want it to end. If not, we can just increase one of the images a little bit. Looks like it might not. So let's see. Perfect. It ends about there. So I will shorten it. There. Okay. That's it. That's what we need to do. So now the video is done with the music. So what we want to do now is we want to save it. I'm going to save it first. Save. And I'm going to call it Misty Demo. Save to project. Okay, and then we also want to render it. So we're going to render it, and it's going to be an MP4, which is the video style. So Misty. And it's going to cost 1 credit. That's all to render this video. 1 credit. Let's go. Now it has rendered. It's completed. It's called Misty MP4, and we can download it.
Through the ups and downs, the laughter and tears, you've been by my side, a friend ever near. Your unwavering spirit, your loyalty true, my faithful companion, my heart beats for you. You're more than just a doll.